Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. I have already done all of my orders today and ran to the post office because I have something really fun to work on with you guys today, and that is foil stickers. Yes, I got foil in today. I am so excited. You guys have been asking for foil stickers in my shop for a very long time, and I gotta say I haven't done it because I've been super intimidated with trying it, but I'm gonna give it a go today. Cross my fingers that it goes well. If it does, you might see some foil stuff going up in the shop this weekend. So yay, I'm so excited. All right, so before we get started on that, I do need to clean up the office a bit because I did just do my orders, and when I do orders, a lot of times things gets a little chaotic. It's not horrible, but I can't work in an untidy space. Everything has to be like in its spot, and then I can get started on work. So let's go ahead and start on that. Alright, I just got the left half of the studio done. Now I'm going to work on the right half. It's not horrible, like I said. There are some stickers out that I need to put away. I also did just do a video with my dandelion collection, so I need to put those in my binder to make sure that I use the leftover stickers. And then I do have some stickers on these mats here, so let's just tidy this up and get to some fun stuff. ready to play around with all of this fun foil. So I have silver, rose gold, and gold. I don't know which one is my favorite. I love them all. It's gonna be so much fun. I hope, cross my fingers, that it works out all right. Okay, so the first thing I need to do, can you guys see Patty over here? She's gonna help us out today, of course. I have to design some stickers to play around with the foil. So I did come up with a couple of things, but I need to fill up the sheet because I want to make sure that all of the sticker sheet is filled. That way I can use all of the foil all at one time because I'm going to test all of them. So let's take you over and see what I'm designing. All right, so you guys can see I have already come up with a couple script words. Now, if you see, there is a pattern here, and this is kind of how I have been feeling last week. All week pretty much, and I wanted to have some stickers to put in my planner, and I thought these would be perfect to foil. So I have sick day, chillax, lazy day, not today, self-care is the best care, and I wanted to fill it up with 3 more kind of not so good days. I was thinking like poop, maybe. I mean, just poop. That's how my week was last week. It was just one of those weeks. So I thought if I'm having one of those weeks, maybe you guys have one of those weeks and want stickers like this as well. We'll see. When you guys have like a poopy day, what do you say? I'd like to know down below. Is it chillax, a lazy day, not today? I could have used all of them last week, so I'm gonna put poop, like just poop, and see how that goes. I might use these cute little hearts as well. It just makes it like not so poopy.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the right. The gas in the back of the set, never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the right. The gas in the back of the set, never leaves. She's so bad that the can't beat the right. The gas in the back of the set.
Sick day, chillax, lazy day, not today. Self-care is the best care, adulting is hard, and slept in. So let's cut these and see if they foil. Oh my gosh. All right, wish me luck.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline.
My cutting foil process. That's the first time I've cut foil before, and guys, this is like super flimsy. So if you have any like tips on how to cut foil, I suppose it's kind of like wrapping paper. I did try to like just slice it up, but I was a little crooked, so I definitely need to practice that. But I have these guys all ready now. Now I also picked up these Mink transfer folders. Now they're just plastic. I thought that they were like silicone. So if you have any like plastic sheets, which I do in my studio, you could just use those instead of buying these 3 like very large plastic sheets. But since I have them, I'm going to cut one down a little bit smaller and test that out. And then I'm also going to test just foil and no transfer sheet. Yay! Oh my gosh, I am so excited. These came out pretty darn good, especially for my first try. There's a little bit of spots, but a lot of it has to do with me not cutting the foil correctly, and it didn't cover up the whole sheet, so I've already got some oops foils going on. Now with the transfer paper, actually it did not work at all, really. I mean, there's like a little bit of silver that came off, but maybe because I'm not using the Mink machine and it isn't as hot as the Mink machine, so it didn't transfer all of the silver onto the slept in. So without it though, it did do a very good job. Chillax is like a perfect sheet. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna have to let me know down below which one do you guys prefer. If you have any other quotes or sayings, definitely let me know. I want to add as many as I can to the shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Are you ready for dinner? Was that a long day? Oh my gosh.